Large conical burrs are becoming more popular among home baristas due to their relatively low retention and for the distinct flavor they produce. The Macap M7D has been our most popular grinder in this category for the past few years, and it continues to hold that spot today. Hi, I'm Charles with Clive Coffee. Let's take an in-depth look at this conical espresso grinder. The M7D makes an impression. Its silhouette is equally impressive whether in gleaming chrome or slick matte black. Its all-aluminum case conceals a massive 800-watt motor that delivers a truly commercial amount of power to its large 68mm conical steel burrs. This translates to wonderfully fast grind times, with a 20-gram dose only taking around 4 seconds. But these specs don't just translate to speed. Altogether, they allow the M7D to provide this performance while producing far fewer rotations per minute than most other commercial-ready espresso grinders, running at around 350 RPM. This means the grinder produces very little heat through friction between the burrs and the coffee, heat that would otherwise result in inconsistent shots and pull flavor from your coffee. Such a low RPM means that even if you're serving a morning rush, heat isn't much of a concern. It also means that the M7D doesn't need a fan, making it considerably quieter than competing conical burr grinders when sitting idle. When it comes to grind retention, the M7D is among the best in its class, retaining just 4.5 grams on average. This means that you'll never have to purge stale grounds for more than a second before you're getting fresh coffee. This also means that the M7D is a proficient single dosing grinder. Ben, another one of our coffee experts, used it as his daily single doser for years, and most of our M7D customers do the same. As with most grinders, you'll find that grind times are longer when single dosing, with a 20-gram dose taking around 20 seconds. But the shots speak for themselves. They're delicious. Even after pulling a dozen shots in a row, we still get the clear, bright, conical burr flavor we expect. This consistency is also why the M7D has served as our barista class grinder for years. It's more than up to the task of pulling shot after shot while our guests practice latte art. When it comes to the user interface, Macap kept things simple. There's a single button dial combination just above the blue LCD, and a grind button nested in its fully adjustable portafilter holder, which can fit any portafilter. The dial makes it easy to adjust the M7D's precise timed dose settings, and you're never more than a couple button presses away from the dose or setting you're after. Whether you want a stellar conical burr grinder for your cafe at a reasonable price, or you want some of the best conical burr shots you can get at home, the M7D should be one of your top contenders. To learn more about single dosing with the M7D, watch our single dosing comparison video here. I'd be glad to field any other questions you have about the M7D in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button, and for more coffee knowledge and in-depth videos, be sure to hit subscribe.